Welcome to the Super Dry booth here at Productronica. I'm delighted to be joined by Richard Heimsch, who's the Director of the Americas. Welcome, Rich.
Good to see you, Trevor. Okay. Thanks a lot.
So it's nice to see you in front of a really nice, innovative new product that we've got here. It's the Dry Tower. Can you tell us a little bit, or tell our viewers a little bit about this? Because it's a huge piece of equipment.
It's true, and this really is a representative tiny corner of what the actual systems consist of and do. But essentially, it's a centralized inventory management system that maintains traceability over the moisture sensitivity, the floor life reset of up to 20,000, 30,000 reels and trays at a time.
Right. Okay, and that's obviously a lot of inventory, but as you were talking off camera, you were saying that because of lead-free, essentially every component now qualifies as a...
Lead-free has dramatically expanded manufacturers' needs to keep track of moisture, and when the same component in a lead-free process is 3 times the saturated vapor pressure, the moisture sensitivity level be 1 or 2 levels higher just going into lead-free. So that's one of the reasons why the European market versus the North American market had to focus much more intensely on this sooner. And that's why today, I would say the evolution of this process is probably 5-6 years further along than it is in North America, following much the same patterns that ESD management followed in that market. But yes, lead-free is a big impact on the need to pay attention to this.
Okay. Now, what are the, you say it's a centralized system, so what are the methods of delivery out to the line?
We're doing 2 things. We are maintaining a level of safe storage, so according to the IPC JEDEC specs, okay, they're stored at below 5% at all times, which stops the clock. But if the floor life has expired or is close to expiring, we know that based on the input and output barcode reading, and can divert it into a floor life reset area for a period of time. The input and outputs to these systems has been as many as 8 conveyors, in some cases going overhead and dropping directly down to one of 6 or 8 or 10 lines. In other cases, loading AGVs just outside the tower itself, and then the AGVs taking the job fulfilled a bill of material kitted out to the line. And that's the other element of this is the integration with the warehouse management systems and the in-house ERP to be able to feed jobs when they're needed.
Well, that kind of leads into my next question, which is the software control system behind that. Can we just take a walk over and have a short look at that? Yeah.